tricycle. I brought 3 pairs of underwear. Holy smokes. Everything's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. This is why we work out. This is why we work out. So today is Monday. We leave on Thursday. We just cleaned our condo because the next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll be working before we go on our trip. But we're just gonna eat first.
All bags we bought and all the equipment that we're gonna be bringing with us.
Yeah. We had a lot of comments about people being surprised that we were only taking carry-ons on this trip because our tickets do include 2 check-in bags. But honestly, because we're island hopping, it's just not realistic to bring checked-in baggage and carrying it and hauling it everywhere that we're going. So we're going to show you the bags that we used. This is not affiliated with Amazon. We just chose to buy from Amazon because it's the most convenient thing. We don't have a car and we like backpacks when we travel, but we're gonna eat first.
Less is more.
And I'm excited. Like,
this is the bag we're bringing.
50-liter Tag-year.
Yeah, it's the size of a carry-on. An allowed? That's not the word.
An allowance.
Yeah, it fits. It's about 22 inches high. It's 12 inches wide and then 8 inches deep. I mean, it doesn't have any wheels, so it's pretty easy to like pop into those measuring things.
There's a wet bag here for all your wet stuff. And it comes with a
shoe bag.
But pretty solid. We had a test run with this when we went to Ottawa. We actually got the 40-liter one, so we're just like, okay, for this trip, just let's do the 50. That's how it is. Comes with a what's that
water
called?
bottle.
A water bottle holder, and then a charging port.
And
which is
there's like
nice.
a zipper here in the front.
Yeah, quick access stuff. So,
Put your
bang.
laptop in there.
Need some pencils.
A tablet.
Goes pretty deep too. We prefer this one because, you know, it's quick. Bang.
Yeah.
Get
And
all
as you
your stuff.
probably saw, it opens. It's got that clam opening, just like a suitcase, which is ideal when you're traveling.
So it opens like this.
Visual, you know what I mean?
What you bring? Sergeant Park.
Alright.
Basically like a week's worth of clothes. Rotating, you know, shirts.
And buying a lot of stuff there.
Yeah. This is it. It has these nice pulleys, so you could compress it. You could compress it. Sorry about that, guys.
These we also got on Amazon too, which are like these little magnetic microphones.
You could clip them too. I'm just gonna put that to my necklace. There you go.
And that's the backpack. Tricycle.
Luggages, they just
Bathing suit.
it looks good.
Duh, Bunsa Club shirt. My essential makeup stuff, because to be honest, I'm gonna buy makeup there. So like, what? Halo Glow filter, putty color correcting, brightening for under eyes, and mascara. Oh, and my brow brush. And no, this is not a paid ad, but I've been using e.l.f. for forever. So obviously this is gonna have more with like sunscreen and all that kind of stuff, but that's literally it. And then shoe, I'll be wearing a pair of sneakers at the airport. And to be completely honest, I'm probably just gonna bring one pair of sandals, but again, you can literally buy everything there, so. And like, it's barely full. I still have so much space. You saw in the montage, there's not a lot I'm bringing because when we land, we'll be in Manila and we get in at night. So the next day, we're hoping to get up, go to some markets. I brought 3 pairs of underwear because, like, legit, if you are a Filipino, you're very familiar with Soen, and Soen now sells thong underwear. It's not just the same embroidered granny panties. So I'm gonna buy boxes of those to bring back. But
So yeah.
So yeah. That's pretty much it.
That's the bag.
That's the backpack. We also get a personal item, which typically we like to use tote bags to put all of our liquids and stuff that they require you to remove when you get to security, so that you're not that person that's opening up their carry-on and pulling everything out. Be prepared, be considerate. When it's early in the morning flights, like, nobody wants to be there. So if you can, grab like a tote bag, stuff everything in, like your liquids, your electronics in there for easy access. Get to security line, pull everything out, and then repack your carry-on bag. But that's pretty much it. Like,
You still have room, which is the crazy
I have
part.
so much room, but also when we land in Manila and we grab some stuff, this is what we're gonna be moving around in. So I didn't want to overpack because, to be honest, there's going to be a lot of stuff that we end up buying, and you guys will see what we end up buying because the price and the exchange is actually pretty crazy.
Have a tripod here, MagSafe for our phones. Pretty good.
And it has a Bluetooth remote too.
Just kind of pops out.
Cute. And it's an extender, so yes, it's also a selfie stick.
Wow. We have another mount. I don't know, bus transfers.
It sticks to like windows, mirrors, so like get ready with us videos, anything that you don't want to stick a tripod on.
Then this guy, it's a chest mount. So right now it's kind of twirled around, but it has like this cool flexible
Sample.
this cool flexible what's it called, like this wiring on it, and then you clip it on just like this.
So this is what you see your view.
This is it. So it's cool because you can just hands free. Look at my money tree. Where's the money at?
These are the microphones that we're using right now. This is the brand. There are so many brands, and we also had our cousin suggest another brand. But honestly, if we're going on excursions and stuff like that, we were kind of worried in investing large on a microphone. These ones were $25, and they come with these guys. There's 3 different settings on them. There's like a magnet to hold it onto your shirt, but also a clip, like how Kevin has it on his necklace. Easy charge, USB-C. Also, I don't think you guys can see it because I have it on my phone right now, but can you record this? Because I want to show them this. But the receiver for the microphone looks like this. And what's cool about this one in comparison to others is it has this USB port, so you can still charge your phone while having your microphone in as well. And it's performing pretty well.
Yeah, so this is just a portable battery pack with MagSafe, so just clips right onto our phones. Very slim. This is why I liked it. It's not going to be super fast when it's charging like this, but if you plug in a USB-C to it, right to your phone, then it'll be fast charging. So best of both worlds.
I think this is pretty much it for the pre-prep. The next time you see us in a video will be the early morning of our flight. Our flight is at 6:50 a.m. We work for the next 2 days, the night before.
The night before. I don't even think we're going to sleep, to be honest.
I need to.
She'll sleep.
Yay! It's travel time!
Get out of here.
Backpacks on. It's here. It's time. It's now or never.
Let's go.
I think we have everything. You have our passports?
Yeah, right here. Hello. Thanks for waiting.
Holy smokes! Everything's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. Made it to the airport in one piece. Not a single winter jacket on. It's so cold. Our feet are wet, so we only brought sneakers. But so far, no signs of a delay or cancellation. Easy line. Flight number 1. We're not in the same row.
You do it on purpose.
That's okay. We need a break. We're gonna have 30 days together. It's 44/7.
You take a look outside.
This is why we work out. This is why we work out.
Yeah, push it.
News. We made it.
Oh, yeah.
So we've been walking 1,000 miles.
Hi, friend, what's up?
Dude, this SF airport, like, it's huge. I think we've been walking for half an hour now.
Yeah, definitely half an hour walk. Heading to G2. G2.
Yeah.
Like a Gatorade drink.
Oh, it is right here. Sweet.
And once again, another reminder that the center overhead bin is a little smaller than the overhead bin on the side. Take your roller bag.
Do you want to start? Oh, headphones. Or earplugs. What? Earbuds.
Again, in those exit rows, if you do us the favor of having those window shades open, please, for our approach. Cabin, please ensure that you're...
You know I'm fucking home when the immigration officer says my name correctly.
Alaisa.
Without having to correct him, he just goes, Miss Alaisa. We made it! We made it through! Button. No line. Just make your own lane.